forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, it is a nice calm night tonight. Very typical Hoosier summer evening around here with a little patchy mid-level cloudiness passing through at times, but the front is still off to the west here. Storms are gradually fizzling out here, but we've had a lot of severe weather in Iowa, Nebraska, and Missouri this evening. Now, the good news is this front here will start to slide southward and will likely not produce severe weather in our viewing area tomorrow. The strong wind fields that up in the atmosphere that produce organized severe weather, well, they're going to be way north of us tomorrow. So as the front sinks southward here, there'll be enough little convergence along the front and enough boiling instability to pop a few scattered storms, but severe weather isn't a big concern at the present time. Speaking of tomorrow, after a little patchy fog in places in the morning, 63 degrees at 6 a.m., noon it's 84, and pretty humid too, and rather humid at 5, 90 degrees, a few scattered storms developing. All right, after a little patchy fog in places tonight, perhaps a little more tomorrow night, the main issue in the forecast, the main weather story here is the hot weather regime. Temperatures staying above normal for, boy, it looks like a couple of weeks at least around here. A few widely scattered storms Wednesday, Thursday, and then maybe a couple rounds of more organized storms Monday, Tuesday. But I will tell you that overall for the next several weeks, rainfall actually a little bit below normal for a change. Lows tonight, though, have raised these just a little bit, especially in our northeast counties since 6 o'clock based on new data. So 61 Rochester, Logansport, 63 Lafayette, as well as Pence, and about 62 at Colfax. And a hot, pretty humid day tomorrow. Mostly sunny early, then becoming partly cloudy with a few scattered storms popping. 88 Rochester, Logansport, down through the Reynolds area, 80, or actually 90 Monticello, about 89 Wolcott over to Remington, and 91 West Point, Clarks Hill, and down towards Waveland, about 90 down in Camden and Flora. So there's the forecast we had today. There was the 89 we had. Tomorrow, the front slowly slides southward, so a few little storms percolating on that front. A few more as the front kind of wobbles about and kind of fizzles away. So after any scattered storm Thursday, it'll be fine Friday. Mostly sunny, capped 89 for the high, but really heating up and turning humid over the weekend. The low 90s, the heat index rising in the mid and upper 90s. And then on Monday, as a really intense heat wave starts to overspread the plains, right on the edge of that heat wave, I think we'll have one cluster of storms Monday, perhaps another one on Tuesday. We'll have to watch for a severe threat there as well. And then the heat wave will overspread the area, shutting the storms off by the middle part of next week. And it's going to heat up in a big way next week. We're talking mid-90s, maybe even a few upper 90s by maybe next Wednesday, Thursday-ish. 90 tomorrow, 89 Thursday. A few scattered storms. It is mostly sunny Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but still hot. At least the weekend's dry, but boy, you're going to need to be by the pool and need the shorts on. It's in the 90s, and in the 90s next week, Aaron. Some storms possible Monday and Tuesday. Then after that, we'll just cap everything. It'll be mostly sunny and very hot by Wednesday and Thursday of next week, so get ready for that.
So when they say the dog days of summer, those are upon us?
We are getting into those now. We're getting into July, right into the real center of the hottest weather of the season.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Chad. Big changes on the way for the Indiana